Hello and thank you once more for accompanying me on my journey through the Kikuyu country. Today my trip is to a small town in Nyeri County called Wamagana. Wamagana is a ward in Tetu constituency in Nyeri County. It is a Kikuyu town. It is located 6 kilometers southwest of Nyeri town and is located along Gyakanja-Mukarara Road. Wamagana is a remarkable place. Apart from moving around, there is this Wamagana sports field where one can relax, probably watching a game of football, or just looking at nature, or watching the sheep graze, like now. If one asked me why the Kikuyu people aren't great footballers, I would probably say that it is because of the terrain of their country. In general, Kikuyu land has a horrible terrain of uneven landscape, hills, valleys, ridges, and gorges. To get a level field and playing ground like this is quite refreshing. But grounds such as this are not the norm. Kikuyu children do not necessarily grow up playing football at home, like some of us did. I will be telling you the origin of the name Wamagana. But first of all, let's look around. It's a small town with a good health center, neat shops, bars, butcheries, and presence of government administration. Farming is the greatest economic activity of the inhabitants of this place. They mainly grow coffee, tea, and a bit of macadamia nuts. Of late, however, avocado farming is becoming a big thing. To the east of Wamagana town flows Kagumo River. Just 4 or 5 minutes walk from here, you find Kagumo River, which has a beautiful waterfall. If you come to Wamagana, make a point of visiting this beautiful waterfall. It is called Kibaki Falls. Guys, I'm here alone. It is in some kind of forested gully. I've been brought here by a motorcycle rider and he has left. He has assured me that the place is safe, no animals or bad people. And I've told him that once I'm done, I will return to Wamagana town. Nitapanda. As I said, this waterfall is at Wamagana on River Kagumo. I don't know why it is called Kibaki Falls, because to me, that sounds like a recent name which could have come into being after Mwai Kibaki became president of Kenya in early 2000s. Nobody seems to know the name of this waterfall before it was christened Kibaki Falls. Probably the locals here had never given much thought to giving this place a name. If there was, please indicate in the comments. Yeah. Coming back to the shopping center, we see that construction site next to Wamagana Sports Field. That is the affordable housing project beginning to take shape. Now, concerning the name for this place, it is named after a Mumbui hunter called Magana. I was quite glad because I met a number of people who not only knew that their town was named after a man called Magana, but also had a thing or two to say about him. Magana was a great hunter. He arrived here from Madira and made his settlement. The locals who spoke about him definitely did not see him because he settled here long ago in the early 18th century. But they told me that he was a famous man and was reputed for having very many goats. He constructed his vast boma here and had many goats. People began referring to this place as Weru wa Magana, meaning the plains of Magana. For that reason, this place is known as Wamagana to date. Bye bye from Wamagana. Please support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. Don't forget to accompany me again as I continue to crisscross the Kikuyu country.